Let's have a look at how we can connect the whole variety of social media channels to VirtusNova that you can post from within VirtusNova. Generally, there's two different possibilities on how you can connect VirtusNova to your social media networks, either by scrolling down from within the dashboard page, where you will be able to identify already configured social media channels as per the selected brand, as well as such channels which have not yet been configured. Alternatively, we will be able to find an overview of all our connected social media channels within our profile and settings and clicking on social profiles. Do make sure that whenever you configure your social media channels, that you have the correct brand selected, either from here within the social profile section or from the top navigation menu. Let's go ahead and have a look at how to connect LinkedIn. Connecting a social media channel is as easy as clicking on the connect button over here. Next up, we will be prompted to enter our login credentials to that specific social media network. Do note that there are several configurations which you need to make in order to, for example, connect your Facebook or your Instagram. Without diving too much in detail over here, we have detailed Help Center articles at the bottom over here, should you not see the pages, profiles, or companies which you actually want to be connecting. However, for LinkedIn over here, we already see the profile that I want to connect, which is our testing account, a personal profile. To confirm the connection, we simply click on Done, and thereafter, we will see that we have successfully connected LinkedIn, but now can also post on that social media channel, since it is the only one which we have connected at this point in time. Disconnecting a social media channel is as easy as clicking on the three dots and clicking disconnect. Do note that when you disconnect a social media channel, that all your drafts and scheduled posts will be permanently removed from within VirtusNova, whereas posts which are already live will remain online. If we are sure about this, then we can go ahead and click on Yes, Disconnect. Remember that every now and then you will need to refresh the connection, as the permissions which you grant VirtusNova to post on your behalf expire after a certain duration. We will notify you about this need to reconnect with a top banner notification, and you will also be able to see it if you just scroll down on the home page to the overview of all your connected social media channels. Here, you'll see that certain connections will be expiring soon. Alternatively, you will also be able to identify just that from within your profiles and settings and navigating through the social profile section. Reconnecting a social media channel is not as drastic as disconnecting a social media channel and reconnecting it. Remember that if you disconnect, then everything is gone, but if you reconnect, your files remain within VirtusNova. That said, we can go ahead and do just that with LinkedIn by clicking on Reconnect. And voila, we have just given VirtusNova the additional access to post on our behalf for another set duration.